Welcome to the Angular ComboBox tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to configure the Cascading ComboBox using the Syncfusion Angular ComboBox component. You can see here the series of ComboBox components. When I select the country name from Countries ComboBox, the respective state ComboBox is enabled now. Similarly, after I choose any state from the States ComboBox, the City ComboBox gets enabled. Let me show you the steps to render the series of ComboBox components, and how to configure the value of the single ComboBox that depends on another ComboBox value using my existing application. First, let me open my existing application where I have added the Angular ComboBox. If you want to know more about how to create an Angular ComboBox, refer to the video linked in the card above and description below. I run the application using the command ngserve. You can see the ComboBox showing country names. Now let me show you the steps to configure the Cascading ComboBox. To create a Cascading ComboBox, first I need to render a series of ComboBox components. Add a division element with padding style. I define one more ComboBox. Here, I'm going to assign state names as data source for this newly defined ComboBox. Therefore, let me define a variable state data and assign JSON data source, which contains an array of objects with two fields, namely state name and state ID. For this data source, the appropriate data source field should be mapped to the fields property of the ComboBox component. So, define a variable state fields and map these fields state name to text property and state ID to value property. Now let me assign these variables, state data and state fields, to the data source and fields property of the ComboBox. Additionally, I declare the state watermark variable and set its text to select a state. Then, I assign this variable to the placeholder property of the ComboBox. Now you can see the ComboBox components is rendered one after the other. Notice the state ComboBox component is enabled and displaying the state names even though the country ComboBox has no selected value. To disable the state ComboBox and to populate the state names only based on the selected country value, I need to write logic for handling this scenario. First, to disable the state ComboBox component, I will set the enabled property to false. Next, I will populate state names to state ComboBox based on the selected country value. For that, I will map the appropriate state names to relevant countries in the first ComboBox component. So let me define one more field, country ID, with appropriate values, mapping to the state ComboBox data source items. Then, within country ComboBox code, define change event with a relevant handler to load data on the state ComboBox component based on the selected value in the country ComboBox. In the app component ES file, I define the country change event handler. If a country name is selected, then this change event will be triggered. Within this method, I'm going to fetch state names based on the selected country value. So I will create a reference to country and state ComboBox by adding an ID. Then I declare a not null variables named country object of type ComboBox component using the viewChild directive. Similarly, I declare a variable for state object. To use these directive and component, I import them from its respective packages. Here I make a query and assign it to a variable, child data query, to fetch state names based on the country ComboBox selected value. To make use of this query, let me import query class from Syncfusion data package. I assign this filtered query to the query property of the state ComboBox. I then enable the state ComboBox component. Then set the text as null. Finally, update the data using the data bind method. Look at the ComboBox components. The state ComboBox is disabled initially. And if I select any country name from Country ComboBox, only then the State ComboBox gets enabled, showing the relevant state names based on the selected country value. Like this, you can render n number of ComboBox components and configure each of its value depending on the other. Let me summarize. I've shown you how to add a series of Syncfusion Angular ComboBox to the Angular application. Also, we have seen how to configure Cascading ComboBox. If you want to try out the example used in this video, download it from the GitHub link in this video's description. I have also shared a link in the description to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our Angular components through our community license if you are eligible. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.